Welcome to our channel Techsec. Today we are diving into a recent and sophisticated phishing scam that's been targeting the hospitality industry by impersonating one of the world's leading online travel agency, booking.com. Let's explore how this ClickFix phishing campaign operates and more importantly, how can you protect yourself? Starting in December 2024, cybercriminals launched a phishing campaign that cleverly impersonated Booking.com. They targeted organizations within the hospitality sector, aiming to steal credentials and conduct financial fraud. These phishing emails were meticulously crafted to appear as legitimate communications from Booking.com, complete with authentic looking logos and language. A standout aspect of this campaign is the use of social engineering techniques dubbed ClickFix. This method manipulates recipients into clicking on malicious links or downloading attachments, leading to the installation of credential stealing malware. Once the malware is installed, attacker can harvest sensitive information including login credentials which can be exploited for financial theft or further attacks. Here is how the attack unfolds. Phishing email sent. The victim receive an email that appears to be from booking.com, prompting urgent action. Malicious link clicked. The email contains a link that, when clicked, redirects to a counterfeit booking.com login page. Credential entered. Unexpected victim. Enter their login details, which are immediately captured by the attackers. Malware installed. In some cases, the link initiates a download of malware designed to extract additional credentials and sensitive data from the victim system. This multi-layered approach increases the likelihood of successful breach as it combines both deception and technical exploitation. The hospitality industry has been particularly vulnerable to such attacks, which access to vast amount of personal and financial data. A single successful phishing attempt can lead to significant financial losses and the reputational damage. Moreover, these breaches erode customer trust, which is paramount in the service industry. To safeguard against such phishing scams, consider the following measures. Verify email authenticity, avoid clicking unverified links, implemented security solutions, educate employees. By staying informed and vigilant, we can collectively combat these sophisticated phishing campaigns. Thank you for the joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity insights. Stay safe and stay informed.